Welcome back to our final task. If you have since logged out, please log back into your Blogger account and continue. Now that you have created a new blog, shared content, and learned how to communicate with customers, we will now look at stats, which is Blogger's traffic analysis tool, as well as Google Analytics, which you can add to your blog. Tracking your traffic statistics is very important since you use this information to plan a strategy and attract more visitors. Using stats, you can identify which posts are frequently visited so that you can use effective keywords. You can also see where most of your traffic comes from, whether it be a Google search, a personal referral, or other social media that you may be sharing your blog from. You can also see the age, interests, locations, and such from your subscribers. This will help you to improve your site's user experience. To be able to do this, you would return to your Blogger dashboard and click on Stats. And as you can see right here now, you can see the amount of followers you have. You have your latest post overview showing you how many people viewed, how many people commented. The page overall, how many people have viewed your page. And then you can, of course, go back up here. Again, if you have followers, it's going to show you the age of your followers and such. You click on your post. Again, it's going to show you the statistics right here, who saw your post, and so forth. And as you can see here right now, it says here more on Google Analytics. So we're going to click on Google Analytics. It's going to take you to Google's main page. And as you can see here, it's free. You can click on Set Up for Free. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to name this Julia's Baked Goods again, because that is my main account right here. And then you have everything right here, and you click on Next. Property name, again, I would call it Julia's Baked Goods, United States, and so forth. You click on Next, and then industry category. In this case, for me, it would be food and drink. Business size, small. And then you can do whatever you want to measure here, customer engagement. Again, anything that you feel might be important for you here, you would select, and then you go on Create. You need to accept the terms of service, of course. You have to read through all this information. And then you accept. And then this is going to load for you. It says here, do you want to be communicating via email? Whatever you want to use there. You don't have to use anything. If you don't want to receive emails, you don't have to. You can unselect everything right here, uncheck, and then you click Save. And then you can even stream this. And this is going to show you your your Julia's Baked Goods. This is my business. And then, since we're here now, you can go on the Setup Assistant. You can have your user ID set up right here. Property settings. And so forth. So this is for Julia's Baked Goods. Again, this is just from my page specifically right here. And then it's going to show you right here, engagement. You can get your overview here about how are people engaging, how long are they staying on your page, all these settings right here. Events, pages and screens, retention, that's important too. Do people stick around? Do people stay long enough? Do they just check in and leave again? Demographics, if you're curious who is actually viewing your page. Again, in my case, not a lot. You can have this narrowed down by country. Again, for me, there is no data available because it's a new blog. But as you have more people visiting, you can see, okay, am I actually targeting the right people? Analysis, you have your hub right here. Again, to where it actually shows you everything. And the basic Google Analytics is always free to you. which is actually a really great feature. So you can just see who's on your page, who's visiting. If you need to change anything, you can click on real time too. It's going to show you how many users are there per minute, where they're located, the source, again, the audience, and everything is just there at all times. And you can just use this as an additional tracking system for your blog. Congratulations, you now know how to use the stats tool to analyze your current reach and expand your reach. You have now created a website for your business that is free and easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this guided project. Have a wonderful day.